Now get down here with my fucking dog!
You gonna let Marty go if I do? Does he have anything to do with any of this? Just writing a movie.
Are you?
Yeah,
What's it called?
7 Psychopaths. Don't want it to be one more film about guys with guns in their hands. I want it overall to be about love
What you talking, baby?
Vietnamese.
Didn't we have like a big war with you guys one time?
and peace.
Peace is for queers.
You know what I think the movie should be? The first half should be like a perfect setup for an out-and-out revenge flick.
What's wrong, honey?
Look at that limp piece of shit.
Get the fuck off me, Billy.
Are you pissed at me for something, baby?
Why would I be pissed at you, Marty?
Because you're a cunt.
Billy!
Put your hands up.
No. I've got a gun. I don't care.
I always loved Bonnie like he was my own child.
One, I do not want that image in my head. Two,
Still lost my fucking dog, man.
There's no way that story's ending but grimly.
Calling all psychopaths! Are you mental or deranged? Yeah, right. If your story is crazy or quirky enough, we might use it for our movie.
Have some faith in Jesus Christ as your Lord and don't tell these scum-sucking motherfuckers nothing.